The first method that we are going to study is straight line method. Now students, it is also referred to as original cost method and sometimes it is also referred to as fixed installment method. All these names are for straight line method. Now, under this method, depreciation is charged on the cost of the asset each year. That is, for every year, depreciation is charged on the cost. Let us say we purchased a machinery for rupees 10 lakhs and depreciation is to be charged at 10% per annum on straight line method. I am writing SLM in short. So that means if the asset has been used for the whole year, now there is an assumption that asset has been used for the whole year, then every year 10% would be charged on the cost, which in this case is rupees 10 lakh. So first year depreciation would be 1 lakh. Second year depreciation would be again 1 lakh. That is 10% on 10 lakh. Third year again depreciation would be 1 lakh. So it is a method in which depreciation is charged on the cost of the asset. Now let us understand what are the advantages and the limitations of this method. Advantages. It is a very simple method. First is it is a simple and easy method. Simple and easy. It is very simple. You always have to look for the cost of the asset and charge depreciation on the cost of the asset. Obviously, it gives round figures that makes calculations much easier as well. Second is it depreciates assets to its scrap value. Since we are charging depreciation on fixed amount, so this method actually helps us to depreciate the asset last down to its scrap value if it is there, or zero in case no scrap value is there. No scrap value is there. Then beta, third method is, or the third advantage is that since depreciation is same, depreciation is same for each year, it makes comparison easier. It makes comparison of profits easier. So now it is an easy and simple method. It depreciates the asset right down to its scrap value, and since the depreciation charged is same every year, it has the same effect on profit and loss account. As a result, the comparison becomes easier.